Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and I am with my rock and mineral class. These are my lab rats, and we are making sedimentary rock today, edible sedimentary rock, which means that we need sediments to be able to make a sedimentary rock. So as you can see over here, we have some fruity pebbles and some crispy rice that we're going to be putting into our marshmallows, which is going to be acting as the cementation. The cement is going to cement our sediments together, and then we're going to compact our sediments into that to be able to make our edible sedimentary rock. So let's see how this works. All right, so we have it all mixed up with the cement and the sediments, which is the fruity pebbles and the crispy rice and the marshmallows. And now my lab rats are gonna put some parchment paper and they're going to add the compaction to our sedimentary rock. So look at us, we have our sedimentary rock that's going to sit to the side a little bit because you know it needs to cool down. When you cool down your marshmallows, it kind of solidifies into a rock, which is gonna be perfect for our edible sedimentary rocks. Wow, science is so amazing. God bless you. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.